We divide 553 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 11 is 55. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 553 divided by 5 is 110.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.